Second graders, today we're going to think about how we can continue to make our writing better. So when we think about our writing process, we've thought about our opinion. What are we writing about? We've planned and we've started writing our opinion. So today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about giving reasons and giving evidence. I know the chart says giving evidence from the book. This works if you're writing an opinion about a book. One thing that you could think of is what is it in the book that you can see that helps you help your opinion be convincing. I, for my example, was writing about autumn. So I want to show you how you can use our transitions and volume checklist, our organization checklist, to help you think about how you can convince your reader. So let's get started. Our organization checklist is blue because it's talking about our structure. Remember, when we think about structure, we're thinking, does your writing have this part? So think, do you connect parts of your writing with transitions? In the picture, you can see that they're using because, also, and another as transition words, and they have an introduction, evidence, reasons, examples, and a conclusion. So you can see what this looks like is you have an introduction and a conclusion. You have the parts of a letter, and your transitions could sound like also, another, the first reason, for example, and because. And those are words that can show that you're adding on to your thinking. So let's think. A good example of what this looks like and sounds like is the first reason is that it is exciting. For example, he goes fishing alone. Suddenly a storm comes. Another reason is that it is mysterious. He finds a new tribe of mysterious people. They teach him a new dance. So notice, friends, they've used first reason, another reason, and to explain the reason, they use the words for example. Let's see what that could look like in my writing. So I have my writing here. Remember yesterday I added in my date, I added in the greeting, and I added in my lead. So I thought about how could I write a good lead. Now I'm going to think on this checklist, how am I going to start explaining my reasons? I think I'm going to start the first reason. So I'm just going to write the first reason, which is right here, and I'm going to write that in my writing. The first reason is because you can wear lots of sweaters. That you can wear lots of sweaters. Now I need to think, why would that be something that convinces my readers? I really like to wear sweaters because they're warm and cozy. So they help me feel warm and cozy. So I can add on to my thinking by writing another sentence. So the first reason is that you can wear lots of sweaters. These can help you feel warm and cozy. Because who doesn't like to be warm and cozy? So now I have one reason and I have one explanation. But what I need to think about is, can I add in more? Can I add in another reason? I could write another reason. Ooh, is that the leaves start to change colors. Another reason is the leaves change colors. And I'm going to think, why would that be something that would convince them? Change colors. Which one of these would make sense for me to add onto my thinking? I think I'm going to write for example. Because, for example, what colors could they change? For example, and I'm going to think, what's my favorite color that they change? And I really love red. I really love red leaves. The red leaves are really pretty. Are really pretty. So friends, I'm going to keep writing, but I want you to think, how can you use this checklist to add in your reasons with explanations? So good luck with your writing.